Hello, this is Alabdulwahed, and today I'm gonna walk you through the manufacturing process of an iPhone cover. The first manufacturing process was molding the iPhone cover. I began by gluing an existing iPhone cover to a wooden sheet. Then I added the tape all around the iPhone cover so the molded iPhone cover can have an extra layer of protection all around the edges. Then I used cardboard to create borders around the molding box, and I used super glue to secure them all around. Then I used silicone rubber to prepare the mold. On a scale I measured 1:1 ratio of components A and B of the silicone rubber, and I mixed it until it became a homogeneous mixture. Then I poured the silicone into the box and made sure it completely covers the iPhone cover. After patiently waiting for 3 days, I unattached the mold from the wooden sheet and prepared it for casting. To prepare the calcium material, on a scale I carefully measured 1:1 ratio of epoxy resin and a hardener, and I added a dye powder to add some visual color. Then I gave it a go. For the calcium process, I used a syringe for tight places in the mold. Then I poured all the resin to fill the mold. After 3 days, I carefully removed the cover from the mold. Then I used a utility knife to create a precise hole for the camera and fine-tune any finishing touches. To achieve flawless finish, I used sandpaper to smooth the corners of the iPhone cover. Then I used some polishing paste to make sure the iPhone cover shines. For the second component, I'm adding a piece of cotton cloth on the inside of the cover to give a smooth surface of contact between the cover and the iPhone. And to minimize any frictions that can cause scratches, I marked the dimensions of the cotton cloth and used scissors to cut it and then glued it to the iPhone cover. For the third component, I'm adding a convenient cards pocket on the back of the cover to hold any important cards. I used scissors to cut the cloth to the desired dimensions and then used a glue to stick it to the back. And that's it. Here's a brief look of the beautifully crafted iPhone cover.